This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Olyvia Salyer. Bright and airy end-unit townhouse in Michelle Point. Fantastic open floor plan with large living room and kitchen featuring like new stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, the large master suite features a sizable bath with great natural light and dual vanities. 2 additional well-sized rooms and another full bath with dual sinks completes the upstairs. Lovely wooded back patio with additional storage shed in the rear. Amazing location, less than 5 minutes to I-64. For more information, review the details below.